with yourwiseshop.com, and I am so excited. Today I got my Youngevity box, which means that the sampling of products that I purchased is here. Woohoo! So let's open our box. Are you ready? So we're gonna take this, we're gonna get it open. So as you can tell, I have not taken anything out of the box, so we're gonna do this together. It's kind of like Christmas. All right, so we have the packaging, which is boring, boring, boring. And let's start with the first thing. Okay, so the first product I'm gonna show you is the Joy of the Month Club, and this is a monthly, basically a monthly surprise that you can get every single month. And this month it's all about skincare. So we have the wash, the face wash, the vitamin C serum, and we have a little bonus gift down here, which I don't even know what that is yet. And what's the other thing? The toner, right. So we have the toner over here. And what I love about this package, look how cute it is. They already package it in this beautiful little bag, and on the other side you're going to see there's instructions. So let's look inside and see what that bonus gift is. Okay, so you're going to see that it has the features and benefits of each 3 things that come in, and then our little free gift is the Nurture Cream sample, and it is right here. It is super cute. So let's smell it and see what it smells like. It's always nice to see what our things smell like. It actually smells really, really nice. I can't describe the smell, but it is a nice, soothing smell. I'm, for one, am not somebody who really likes a lot of floral smells or something that's really, really, you know, too much. And this is a nice, mild smell. So let's go on. The next product out of my box is this cute little bag. Look at it. It's adorable. I really like the packaging that we get. So let's see what's inside. Now let's just take it all out. Easier this way. And this is some of my Mia Alicia jewelry that I bought. So you can see with each one that you get this beautiful card that says you are of infinite worth. And this is part of Annalise, which is the creator of this line, of her philosophy of life. So I love that. So the first chain that I got is called the Sorrento, and it is a silver chain, and you can see it has these beautiful pearls, and of course all of our Mia Alicia jewelry has these little what do they call them, little hooks that correspond. I will show you a little bit more about how the hooks come, but it also has this little extender which you can take off or keep on. So beautiful piece. I'm going to be wearing that as a necklace and possibly a bracelet, and there are so many other uses that I know I'll be wearing it quite a lot. So let's look at the next piece. This is the Gemini chain, and honestly I love it. It's got a really nice sparkle on all of these gems. They look really, really pretty on. But the main reason why I had to buy it is because I'm a Gemini, so I thought, you know what, I should buy the Gemini chain. I know it's silly, but that's the reason. Okay, I have one more piece to show you, just 1 second, and it's gonna be beautiful. This one is called the Madison chain, and look at all those gorgeous colors. And I purchased this one because I knew that I would be able to wear it with so many different outfits. And it is so pretty. So those are the 3 chains that I have so far. I did not want to get everything right at the beginning because I wanted kind of a sampling of what Youngevity offers. So those are my 3 Mia Alicia chains for now. Those were my top 3 picks, and I know that I'll be able to show you lots of different things to do with them. So let's keep going in our box opening. Next item is our essential oils. And I decided to purchase just one this time. I will get on the Essential Oils of the Month Club. It's $50 US, and you get a sampling of essential oils every single month, which I'm really excited about because I have never really dabbled into the essential oils. But now that South Hill has our essential oils locket, I wanted something to put in it. So the one that I got was Heaven Sent. You can pause right here if you want to read a little bit more about it. Otherwise, just fast forward until we continue. And it's supposed to help with energy as well, which I struggle with. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to give it a try. And for sure, I will give you a review in the next few weeks and tell you how well it works for me, but I am really, really excited. Essential oils are huge right now, and to be able to get mine at wholesale pricing is even better. So let's see what it looks like inside the box. And there you go. So there's your little bottle of essential oils. Essential oils go a long way. So you can see this is a 10 milliliter bottle, but with using it with my locket, I know that this is going to last me for a very, very long time. So there you go. That's the first one I'm going to play with this month, and I will be getting on the club, so I'll be able to give you some ideas as to which other ones that you like. And if you are into essential oils, I guarantee you joining that club will be of value to you, and you'll be able to get the wholesale pricing. So it'll be great. So you can ask me about that, and let's see what else is in my box. Now, because I don't know a ton about essential oils, and I am really interested in knowing more, Youngevity actually has this, I don't know, keychain with all kinds of information about each and every oil. So you can see there's two different things. We've got our single oils, and on each one of these cards, it'll tell you what the body system is, the nutritional companions, what it blends with, and the suggested carriers. And on the very back, it tells you your suggested usage. So, which is really great, because even somebody who doesn't know a lot but wants to kind of dabble in it is able to get this information. One of the things that I've been told is kind of unique to Youngevity is we also have these special blends. So the blends have different types of essential oils in them. You can see what it is that it's supposed to help with and what items are inside. And again, on the very back, it tells you what the practical uses are. So I know for me, the one that I got was actually a blend, and for sure I'll be getting lots and lots more. So excited about that. Excited about how it's going to help me, how it's going to help my family. I know that there's lots of different little things that my family probably needs a little help with, so I will pick out the oils that I feel are best for them. As a distributor, we have the option of signing up for what's called a VIP Rewards Club, and it's just a minimal amount of money per month, and it gives you special perks. So I actually had no idea that I was going to get something special in this box, so let's see what it is. Right, in this box I got a special cup that says Join the Javolution. I love it. And two different little coffee Keurig cups that are donut shop, which is great because I actually didn't buy any of the coffee this time around, and so it'll give us a chance to try them out. I personally am not a coffee drinker, but my husband is, so it'll be his review on this one. One of the really exciting things that I personally wanted and have heard such great things about is the 90 for Life products. Now, we have different health packs based on your needs. What comes automatically in a health pack is your Tangy Tangerine, your Beyond Osteo, and then your EFA Plus. You're going to find on the website, it tells you a little bit about each one of those. Personally, I wanted something for digestion. So in my pack, my add-ons are the Ultimate Enzymes and the Flora FX. And I am so excited to give those a try, and I for sure will keep you up to date week by week and see what it does to me, what it does to my energy. I have struggled over the years with so many different things, such as energy and digestion and my moods and all kinds of different little things like that, and pain as well. So I'd like to see how this works for me. And again, I have read review after review about how wonderful these products are. We have some for weight loss, for joints, for all kinds of different things. I can't tell you right off the top of my head right now, but they are all on the website. So for now, this is everything that I got in my first order. I am already ready to place my second order. As a preferred customer, you can get a free account and buy products at wholesale. you can get a mini distributor kit and spend the $25 one-time fee. So it's kind of like a Costco fee, except that you never have to pay for it again. And what that gets you is it also gets you wholesale pricing, but it gets you a website. So that way, if there's products that you really like, you can refer your friends to your website and get referral income, which is awesome. And then we have the Business Builder Kit, which you can choose which brand that you want to promote, or you can promote them all, but you base that big kit on the one that's the most interesting to you. And you get between $700 and $800 worth of value in those kits. So ask me if you have any questions. Bare minimum, I suggest just getting that free account or getting the $25 membership account and seeing how much you like these products. I mean, who couldn't use some everyday products like these? There's the coffee as well. There's hair care. There's so many different everyday products that you can get through Youngevity. And I, for one, am so excited to now being part of this company. So thanks a lot. Again, you can find me at yourwhyshop.com, and that's where all my products are. If you'd like to see my blog, you can go to yourwhyblog.com. I'm on Facebook, and thanks so much. Thanks.